Tired of squinting at tiny screens and cramped indoors? Imagine transforming your backyard into a cinematic wonderland, complete with blockbuster visuals and booming sound. Today, we're counting down the top 5 outdoor projectors that deliver jaw-dropping brightness, portability, and clarity. Get ready to elevate your movie nights. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have NexiGo PJ40 Gen 3, the best budget outdoor projector. Searching for the best budget outdoor projector, check out the NexiGo PJ40 Gen 3. It delivers an impressive 1080p image, perfect for your evening movie nights. This projector shines brightly even against patio lights, making it a top choice for outdoor gatherings. Portability stands out with a lightweight design at just 5.9 pounds, allowing seamless transport. Setting it up feels easy. Simply head outdoors and connect. Lack of an internal battery is not a deal breaker since accessing power outside is straightforward. Connectivity impresses too. Wi-Fi 5 and Miracast support enable effortless streaming directly, while a separate streaming dongle enhances functionality. 2 HDMI ports and a USB-B option give you flexibility for various devices. Sound quality meets expectations with one built-in 2-watt speaker. However, pairing it with a soundbar elevates the audio experience, giving your movie nights added richness. You might find autofocus capabilities a bit basic. Automatic vertical keystone correction helps a lot, yet manual adjustments are needed for horizontal alignment. This minor tweak does not induce significant hassle. What I enjoy most about the NexiGo PJ40 is its perfect balance of performance and value. It handles movie marathons and lively gatherings effortlessly. Ready for big screen thrills without the big price tag? Just wait until you see what comes next. At number 4, we have Anker Nebula Capsule Air, the best 720p portable outdoor projector. Searching for the best portable outdoor projector, Anker Nebula Capsule Air stands out. About the size of a soda can, this compact device packs impressive performance into its 1.4-pound frame. It offers a 720p resolution, which might seem modest, but when paired with HDR support, you experience superb image quality during nighttime screenings. A highlight of this projector is its robust audio. The 5-watt speaker delivers rich sound that fills a medium-sized room. You won't need to rush out for external speakers, making it a hassle-free option for backyard movie nights. Streaming content proves seamless, thanks to integrated Google TV and a licensed Netflix app. Setup feels effortless, allowing you to access your favorite shows quickly. If your outdoor space is close to your Wi-Fi, you'll appreciate the convenience of easy streaming without additional devices. One thing to note is the resolution limit of 720p. While some users may crave higher specifications, the bright HDR quality compensates well, enhancing your viewing experience. What truly captivates is the projector's portability. Enjoy outdoor or indoor movie marathons without worrying about bulkiness. For anyone seeking a reliable and bright solution, the Anker Nebula Capsule Air emerges as a top contender among its peers. Its combination of convenience, audio quality, and portability makes it a favorite for outdoor entertainment. Craving true portability under the stars? Our next pick redefines on-the-go cinema. Still searching for the perfect outdoor projector? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have BenQ X500i, the best dark night outdoor projector. Experience outdoor movies like never before with the BenQ X500i. This projector truly shines under dark night conditions, delivering incredibly rich colors and vibrant visuals. Its exceptional contrast sets it apart from models like the XGIMI Horizon Ultra and Epson Home Cinema 1080. You will enjoy the immersive experience, especially when the night sky is clear. Imagine projecting stunning 120-inch images from just 6 to 7.2 feet away. Short throw capabilities ensure an impressive display without needing a large space. Smart features are plentiful. You can stream using Google Chromecast or Apple AirPlay with ease. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 help connect your devices seamlessly. For sound, the integrated 10-watt speaker system surprisingly enhances your viewing pleasure, eliminating the need for extra equipment. Weighing in at only 8.3 pounds, portability is a significant advantage, making transport a breeze. While the X500i does have fewer image correction features than competing models, this trade-off is minimal when focusing on its strengths. vibrancy, and clarity are unmatched, particularly during those starry outdoor movie nights. Adding native Netflix support allows for instant access to your favorite films, which is a game changer. On the downside, a lack of advanced image correction may require some careful positioning. This projector excels for outdoor nighttime viewing. You'll want to check out the BenQ X500i to elevate your outdoor entertainment experience. Think that's bright? You won't believe the clarity our next model delivers in the dark. At number 2, we have Anker Laser 4K Projector, the best Splurge outdoor projector. Unleash your movie nights with the Anker Laser 4K projector. This projector truly stands out as the best splurge option for outdoor fun. Its larger size means incredible clarity and power, elevating your viewing experience. You'll find remarkable sharpness on any surface, whether you're projecting on the wall, curtains, or even a couch. Colors pop vibrantly, making every scene come alive, especially as darkness falls. Huge built-in speakers create a surround sound experience that surrounds you and your friends, even from a distance of 15 feet. Enjoying a movie night with a group has never felt so immersive. Setup feels effortless. The projector arrives assembled, so within seconds, you're ready to start watching. It shines with convenience, sporting 4 preset buttons for apps like Netflix and YouTube. Maximizing your viewing options should be simple, and Anker delivers on that front. What I love most is the combination of performance and mobility, thanks to its top handle. Whether moving between outdoor locations or bringing it for a weekend getaway, grabbing it and going feels easy. However, it is on the heavier side compared to similar models. This might make it slightly less portable than other projectors, but the added sound quality and visuals easily justify this trade-off. Invest in the Anker Laser 4K projector and transform your outdoor gatherings into unforgettable experiences. Want to splurge on next-level visuals? Hold tight! Our top choice is a game changer. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Anker Nebula Mars 3 Air, the best outdoor projector overall. Get ready for movie nights like never before. Anker Nebula Mars 3 Air shines as the best outdoor projector overall. I've used this compact projector extensively, and it impressed me with its portable design and top-notch features. First, setup feels effortless. Just flip it on, and you're good to go. Who wants to struggle with cables and complicated instructions? With impressive brightness when plugged in, I enjoyed vibrant images even under starry skies. Coupled with built-in streaming options, there's no need to haul extra devices. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Sound quality surprised me. Although small, the projector delivers robust audio, enhancing both movie watching and gaming experiences. An HDMI port connects my favorite consoles seamlessly, making backyard game nights a breeze. Imagine exciting shouts with friends as you compete. What I appreciated most is versatility. Whether hosting a casual movie night or diving into intense gaming sessions, this projector suits all occasions. Battery life ensures I can enjoy a full-length film without interruptions, which is fantastic for outdoor gatherings. Every gadget has its nuances. Though it excels in many areas, image brilliance may not match larger projectors. They excel in clarity, but Mars 3 Air makes up for it with portability and ease of use.
That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best outdoor projectors. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which outdoor projector you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.